Hi everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to install and uninstall software from your MacBook and macOS. So first I am going to show you how to uninstall application from MacBook. So in order to do that, first go to Finder. You see there is a Finder, click on that. As you click, the new Finder window is opened, and you see in the left side there are tabs. So click on Application tab. You see whatever installed on your MacBook, it comes here. You can remove from here, and if you do that, then that application going to uninstall from your MacBook. So you see I have two applications, Visual Player and a Map, and I want to uninstall these things. You see I already installed the Visual Player. You can see the home screen, there is a Visual Player. So if I want to uninstall this application, I have to just delete this application or move to bin. I have to do that, and you can see that it's no longer here. It will you can see this is no longer here, and same applies for, you can see that I want to, there is any Map Pro. Let me see. I think that is, I don't install it, so I think this is no issue. So you see, if I really want to uninstall something, I have to just delete anything from the application folder, and it will be uninstalled automatically. So it's quite easy compared to I'm a Windows user, and that time I have to find uninstaller and then uninstall application. But in a Mac you can easily just delete application from application folder and it will uninstall. So that's quite easy. So you understand how to uninstall things on MacBook. Now let's about installing. So there are two applications, and those two have two different ways to install on MacBook. So first I am going to show you about Visual Player. So first double click on it, and as you click, you see there's a new Finder window opened. And if I want to install Visual Player on my MacBook, I have to just drag this Visual and drop on application folder. As I do it, you can see it's a copying in the application Finder. I can see the application folder, and you can see there is a Visual Player, and you can see it will be come here. See, there is it. So open it, and you can see it's installed. So that's easy. And I want to uninstall it. I will just come here and delete this Visual Player, and it will uninstall. So this is one of the easiest way to install any application on MacBook. And most of times you find this kind of application where you just do drag and drop and you can install it. But sometime you will find this kind of applications. Like, let me show you. Let me ease it first. You can see this. I want to install that map, so double click on it. See, they ask for the access. Okay. So you see, sometime you find the application where you have to use this way in order to install it. But most of time, how I install Visual Player, that kind of application you find for your MacBook or macOS. So click on continue. You can read this if you want. Continue, agreement, continue, okay. So install. It will ask you passport, so give passport for that. And it will take some time in order to install that. So in some time you find application that need this way to install, and there are many applications like that. If you want to install Photoshop, you have to use this way, and that quite easy. It's feel like that I'm using a Windows, and this is same steps like a Windows, but I like that drag and drop option quite better. I have to just drag and drop, and it install automatically. So you can see that my application installed Map. You can see it's working quite fine. Now let's talk about how to install this application, the map that we installed just recently. It's the same way. Go to Finder, go to Application folder and find Map. Let me find Map. You can see there is a map. So if I want to install this application, I can easily just delete it and it will be uninstalled. Like, let me show you. Just move to bin and this one too. I can see that is uninstalled. So it's quite easy to uninstall anything on Mac OS or MacBook. It's compared to quite easy compared to Windows, and I really like using Mac OS because it's quite easy and simple. Compared to Windows, I prefer this one. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video.